Hey students, it's Mrs. T, and I am your teacher this semester. I am coming to you with a warm hello and welcome to the class today from sunny Atlanta. It's been raining the last couple of days, but I'm actually in Atlanta in a high rise right across from the Google building that they just put up. Look, there's the Google building. Hi, Google. Anyway, and CNN headquarters is right behind me. Anyway, so I just wanted to say hello and welcome you to the class. This is me. I need you to get prepared to watch me many different times this semester because every single one of our weekly content folders that we're going to use in class for our lessons this semester, every single one of those weekly content folders will have videos that I make for you in it. You'll have to access the videos either on Rumble or on YouTube. Sometimes I have those redundant sites. You know, I have the videos on both sites sometimes so that you can always have access to them. The links will always be in the course content folders numbered by weeks, and you'll have everything that you need in each of those folders every single week. You won't have to go hunting for anything. So this is just, you know, the hi, how you doing kind of video, and I will have additional videos for you to watch in this kind of orientation to the course section that you have to watch the first couple weeks of class. You'll get your syllabus. There'll be a video where I'll go over the course specific items in the syllabus. I guess you can hear street noises behind me. I hear like a backup, a beep, beep, beep. I live out in the country usually, so sometimes the videos are going to come to you from my chicken coop. But anyway, so I just thought this would be a neat way to start the semester, is on the balcony at the high rise where I'm staying here for one of my weekend trips that I was able to do this summer. Anyway, so yeah, you won't always have the background noise. You might have cock-a-doodle-doo from the rooster, but not the Amazon truck backing up and the garbage truck beeping and that kind of stuff. Anyway, so so please get accustomed to watching videos. This is an online class or a webinar class or even a face-to-face class. Regardless of what kind of class that you're in with me, you're going to have access to these videos. So obviously, if you come to a face-to-face class with me, you won't have to watch the video lessons because we will work through all the content together in class. And if you're in my webinar, you will watch the videos and bring questions about those videos to me every time we have a class meeting. We will review content. I'll clarify things if you have any questions. You can have one-on-one time with me, and but we're going to use these videos as the primary place where you get your content and note-taking material and that kind of thing. And if you're my online student, then this is the way we will contact each other most often, is through these videos or through text messaging or something, instead of seeing each other live weekly. Like a webinar student, you'll see me live at least once weekly, and a face-to-face student, you'll see me live at least twice weekly. Pardon me. By the way, I don't edit my videos, so if I cough or sneeze, that's what you get. But anyway, pardon me. So, just, you know, get used to these videos regardless of what format you're taking me in, because if you're in my face-to-face class and you have to miss, you won't ever have to ask me, did I miss something? I'll be like, oh yeah, you missed lessons 2, 3, 4, whatever it is, in week 7, so go to the folder and watch those videos. And so that's how you use these videos, and you use our web content if you're a face-to-face student. If you're a webinar student, you're going to watch the videos ahead of time, listen to the videos ahead of time of our scheduled class meeting, and then we'll meet like in a Zoom call or in a Teams meeting or something like that. We'll have twice a week meetings that you will sign up for. I'll get you some more information about that. And then if you're my online student, you're going to watch these videos all the time, and if you need to talk to me, we'll schedule individual appointments, or you can text me. That's one of the things you need to do in our Blackboard class right now, is look for my cell phone number. It's not published on the syllabus, but it is listed in the Contact Your Instructor link in the Blackboard class. So make sure that you go in there and you follow those instructions of what I ask you to do, because there's also a question on our class orientation quiz. There's a question about phone numbers and words from my text message and all that kind of stuff. You're going to get points for that. So you have to text me before you take that first quiz. Okay, so this is just a how-do. So howdy, everybody. Let me give you a little view of Atlanta before I cut it off, and I'll see you with some more meat and some more content. I'll go over the syllabus video with you just here in a second. Thank you. Here's the city. I hope I don't drop my husband's computer off the side. Here we go. See the CNN over there, and there's Google building. I've already showed you a little bit of that. It was being built when my husband's brother moved in over here, and we started coming occasionally. Anyway, isn't that kind of cool? I'm a country girl, so I think it's cool just to visit. I don't want to stay here. Anyway, I will see you very soon. It's going to be a great semester. Bye.